In this video, we'll provide an overview of the Audiovisual Technician course offered by AAT Training Hub in Singapore. AAT Training Hub is known for its state-of-the-art facilities and experienced instructors. This course covers a wide range of topics, including audio systems, video equipment, lighting setups, and troubleshooting. Enrolling in this course will not only provide you with practical skills, but also open up opportunities in the rapidly growing AV industry in Singapore. Welcome to our series on the Audiovisual Technician course offered by AAT Training Hub in Singapore. In this first video, we'll introduce you to the importance of audiovisual technicians and the course itself. Audiovisual technicians play a vital role in events, conferences, and entertainment industries. They are responsible for setting up and operating audio and visual equipment to ensure a seamless experience for the audience. AAT Training Hub is a reputable institution in Singapore that offers comprehensive training for aspiring AV technicians. In this final video, we'll explore the promising career prospects that await those who complete the Audiovisual Technician course at AAT Training Hub. Graduates of this course can embark on exciting careers in a range of industries, including, but not limited to, event management. Many AV technicians find fulfilling roles in event management companies where they are responsible for setting up and managing audiovisual equipment for conferences, exhibitions, and live events. Audiovisual production. The course equips students with the skills needed to work in audiovisual production companies where they contribute to the creation of multimedia content for various purposes, such as advertisements, films, and documentaries. Corporate AV. Corporations often require in-house AV technicians to handle audiovisual setups for meetings, presentations, and training sessions. This course can open doors to such opportunities. Entertainment industry. Graduates may also find themselves working in the entertainment industry, supporting theaters, concerts, and performance venues with their audiovisual needs. The audiovisual industry in Singapore is continuously growing, and there is a high demand for skilled technicians who can ensure top-notch AV experiences. With the practical training and industry-relevant curriculum offered by AAT Training Hub, you'll be well prepared to seize these career opportunities. Whether you're just starting your career or looking to transition into the dynamic world of audiovisual technology, the Audiovisual Technician course at AAT Training Hub is your pathway to a rewarding and in-demand profession in Singapore. Don't miss this chance to be a part of this exciting industry.